As long as you have the
Well, learned colleagues, President Theory has said it. And you know, we would normally say that one has nothing more useful to add because he has laid it bare. And we are here to stand in solidarity with Kenya, in solidarity with a very important historical document, Constitution 2010, and under its terms, responsibilities are very well elaborated. So if the executive chooses to cause aggression against our judges, and I just want to thank President Theory for this very bold step, and to thank members of the Law Society, including members of the senior bar, led by Fred Ojambo, for the very clear position we have all taken. And so I was talking to members of the international media here. They're all very concerned. This is an important country, not just in the region, not just in the African region, but the world. And therefore, if Kenya gets it wrong, and we allow a situation where judges will be intimidated into issuing orders that just favor the executive, then we have lost it. Of course, the example here, and I don't know why anybody will feel so bad about it, wanting to force judges to issue favorable ruling with regard to the punitive taxes, and more particularly, the housing tax. Let them be bold enough and accept. This cannot just be accepted. Chief Justice Martha Koome and your team, we want to say as Law Society that we stand in solidarity. We are not even here to ask you to issue any favorable orders, but just as the President has said, to do the right thing under the law. If this country is not under the rule of law, then it can only mean we are under the jungle law, and that cannot happen. That's why our parents have spent so much money to get such cream of learned lawyers and other professions as well. We know if other professions as well had the time, they would also speak the same language. So, Mr. President, a luta continua.
struggle continues.
The struggle continues. Yes. Thank you.